Hello, this is Jason, and today we are talking about the difference between cryptocurrency and stocks. What is cryptocurrency? Cryptocurrencies are essentially digital money supported by blockchain technology. They are primarily used as a store of value and a means of exchange, and they rely on cryptographic techniques to safeguard and authenticate transactions. The majority of cryptocurrencies operate on decentralized networks, and supply and demand determine their market value. What is a stock? Stocks indicate the worth of a functioning company and represent a portion of the equity in a corporation. A stockholder may occasionally be entitled to a dividend, which is a portion of the company's earnings. A stock's value may change in response to the company's performance and other elements, such as important news announcements. What is the difference? Digital assets known as cryptocurrencies operate on distributed networks that are encrypted. They are both a means of transaction and a kind of value storage. Stocks represent a portion of a company's shares,